Hey, it's Finn, and today I'm going to be making a fruit smoothie.
Remember to like my videos and subscribe to my channel.
And here's what you need: fruit, some juice, a blender, and some garnishes. First, we're going to put in the juice. I use pineapple juice. I'm putting in some blueberries. Now I'm putting in some mango, strawberries, and some vegetables. You don't really taste the vegetables, but it's healthy. Now I'm putting in some bananas that are frozen. The bananas make it smooth and creamy. Putting in some more blueberries. Now some more mangoes and strawberries and vegetables. And I'm gonna also put in some more bananas. And now I'm going to blend it. You have to screw the top on. Then put it here. I have to have the arrows lined up. Then pour it into a cup. Then you garnish it. I'm gonna put some mint, and you can put some cherries and oranges on it too. That was good. Thanks for watching.